Welcome to Indoor Plant Science channel. Today I am going to talk about Zamiococcus or ZZ plant. You can see two kind of stress plant and healthy plant here. And also is important to mention that all of the ZZ plant have a tuber at the bottom and hairy root. And the most nutrient and water, it's completely stored in the tuber, in both varieties, the regular one or dwarf ZZ plant. That means this is the best for neglect. That means if you just forget for a long time to irrigate or fertilize your plants, this tuber will be helpful for your plants to prepare enough water and nutrient for your plant. Zamiococcus, it have a big tuber at the bottom. This healthy plant and this stress plants, you can see how the tuber in a stress plant is already just wilting and lose some weight and size because of the stress situation, or that means low light, low irrigation, or even low nutrition make a stress plant tuber looks a little smaller. For healthy plant, you can see the size of the tuber. That's it's completely and obviously show the tuber can support your plant. And as I always said, this is the best plant for neglect. Between different kind of healthy and stress plant and healthy, you can see after washing all of the dirt around the roots, how the tuber is big and healthy, firm. The color is completely looks brown, light brown, and also the hairy root, it looks completely firm and healthy and can support the tuber and the plant. And absolutely when the plant need more requirement, can absorb from the tuber, and these hairy roots just absorb everything that can store in the tuber. But for a stress plant, we can see some roots is rotting and some of them looks black. And the most problem is comes because too much irrigation. And if you have any flooding or any soil, the texture like clay soil or something that keep too much water around your root or tuber make a problem for your plants. If you want to be sure that you already irrigate enough and add enough water for your plants, you can back and see my video about water requirement, about irrigation, and how you can find how much water is enough for your plants. You can find the link in the top now, and just click on the link and you can see two precise way that you can measure how much water your plant need. If you have any problem and struggle like this stress plant and the root looks black or it's going to some rotting, and sometimes it even looks like this yellow leaves, is completely and obviously the sign of your tuber or your hairy root is going to rotting. For this problem, is the best way is just first as soon as possible remove the part of the tuber that looks damaged and rotting, and even the hairy root you can cut the hairy root. After cut, and you had to change completely the potting mix and use a completely enough and good drainage soil around your ZZ plant. I will later explain about how you can choose and prepare the good and perfect potting mix for your ZZ. Please subscribe and like, and to receive my next notification about my next video about choose the best potting mix for your ZZ plant. If you have any struggle for your ZZ plants, also this insecticide is perfect for your ZZ plant. You can just pour some granule around your top of your potting mix. If you are going to change the potting mix, is the best practice to mix this granule with your potting mix, and later that is a good irrigation help your plant just protect your root of and tuber of your plant. Also this insecticide contains some iron and zeolite that's completely can store enough nutrient and at the same time protect your plant. This is the granule that I already explained how you can mix with your potting mix, or just pour it around your top of your plants and mix your pots and good irrigate after that. You can see the cups is include the package, and 1 cup should be perfect for your pots. You can find the link for buying this product in description, and you can find in the best place for to buy this insecticide. Enjoy!